please. 25. Fuck you. Suck my cock. Oh my god. Oh my god. I might be close to even if I get a good multi here. If I don't get these shit multis. Oh my god. Come on. Anything? 9. Good. Wow. How much is that? Oh my god. Wanted. No way.
Woo! Ah! That's gonna pay. That's gonna pay. Multipliers. Oh, 25, 25. Hey, that's gonna pay. That's gonna pay big. That's gonna pay big. Holy shit. Ah! 140 grand. Oh! Yeah! What up? Boomsy. Boomsy, boomsy, boo. Jake him running in naked. That good of a win it was. Was it not? Oh, shit! 202 grand? I didn't realize. Holy shit! Brain manager, my man. My man, huh? $202,000. Thank you for saving my balance. Oh, that's not right. That is not right. That.
Get away! Stars! Oh, baby, yellows! Oh, baby, moons! Blues! Something! Oh my god, this is huge, bro! This is huge! Bro! Boom! Baby! 4K, yo! Come on! Do it! Max win, baby! Put it in! Stars! Ah! Oh my god, this is huge, bro! This is huge! How much is this? How much is this? Boom, baby! Max win, baby! Max win, baby! Ah! Boom! No way! No way! We did it! Starlight Princess with the max win! Woo! Baby! Bada bing, bada boom! Don't mind if we freaking do! Yo! It's a damn good mistake. I hate when that happens. Yeah, totally. Totally hate that. Amandiz! What's up? Miss Vida Clow. Clow. Hell yeah! Full screen of Eagles. Dude, what is that? No multipliers on this, but this should be what? 60? 150,000! I love this game. Hey! Hey, it's not over yet. 4x multiplier. Full screen. Ah, almost. That's gonna be a pair. 4x. That should be even more, I think. 110. It isn't more, but it's good. Ah. Oh my goodness. 261,000. Does Buffalo Stack and Sink have any chance left? I don't think so. I think Buffalo Stack and Sink is effed.
That's gonna. I say it's still gonna stack, no? Yeah. Yes! Yes, splits! Yes, more splits! Yes. More splits! More splits! Yes!
Oh my god!
This is massive!
Bro.
Yes! Yes, dude!
Bro, this is fucking huge!
Holy fuck! Yeah, that's big! That is big!
Bro, that's fucking huge!
Ah.
Right?
That's really big! It's definitely over 20k. I don't, bro, that is like big. With 62k, bro! What the fuck? What? That's an 8,000
Bro,
next.
that's fucking
That's an 8,000 next, dude. That's an 8,000 next.
Go, bro.
What the fuck?
Did we take that hit as well?
Mm-hmm.
I don't care, bro. Let's fucking
Can't
go.
wait until we go out and the butt.
It's a 1.4k hit. Come on, DDS him. Ooh, D-Claw. See, I told you it was an unusual script. We killed him. What did I tell you? I told you I can read these things. I can read these scripts, bro. I'm not losing my mind, guys. Seriously. Well, I probably am, but like, I'm telling you, I read this shit. If it just now, I just need it to pay. Okay, that's a solid 2.8k. Something better. Something better. Oh! 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 Fuck! 30K. Oh, what? 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 What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wait, 3, 3, 9, 27, 81, 162 weights. Oh my god. Oh my god, is that the biggest win ever on this shit?
Yeah, it's the tattoo. It's the tattoo.
You feeling? Oh!
Wait again! Come here! 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 Come here!
Is it?
Come here!
Fight it!
Come here!
Don't touch me!
Come here!
Don't touch
Come
me.
here! But stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Come here! Come here!
Don't touch me.
Come here, bro! Oh, don't leave me alone, bro! 1 million, bro! Wait a bit! 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 That's the new tattoo, bro! Zeus! Yeah! Get those dogs! Get them dogs here, bro!
Oh,
Let's go, bro!
Is it?
Ah! Please do it!
Is it?
Do it, bro!
Please.
One spin, guys! Please do it, bro! Please do it, man! Please do it, bro! How much is that? How much is that? Is that it? No, it's not! It's not yet! Not yet! Oh, one more hit, please! Do it! Juice! No!
Yes! 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 Yalla! I told you, man! I told you, man! Alrighty then! Oh! Just like that! Just like that! Look at that baby! Boom! 94,500. I could smell it worse than the goddamn pizza with tuna and onions that fucking Frank Dimes ordered. Beautiful. God damn it. Holy shit. Woo!
Scatters.
Come on.
Yeah. Ah! Come here! 39! Whoa, whoa, whoa! 25K! 25K!
25K!
Such a rare.
Yo! Why did I have the turbo spins on? Nice.
We wouldn't have bought it. We have the turbo.
Nice, true, brother. I know, but it just went so quickly. Imagine that, drop down. Ah.
Best way to end it.
Wow. Wow,
They
guys.
send it in. The
Stämmer.
jävla mål, that's when it got. The jävla mål is when he got the exact.
Nej. But it wasn't a legacy. Ah, legend. What a fucking legend. How is Vatten nowadays?
It was good.
They're good.
Fuck, that's a nice win.
Oh my god.
Imagine just double drops and bring that in.
Oh, dude, double drop the ring. I'm going insane.
Okay, so 110. So okay. Oh, low key, just land hard in the front as well.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, that's good symbols though.
Oh,
Nice, we take that. Tens, a lot of tens too.
okay.
16K, 5K,
Oh, my
10K,
God, bro.
4K. That is fucking beautiful.
Let's
Nice,
go.
dude.
Let's go. Holy shit.
Is that a 6,000x almost?
Bro, that's points for sure.
Yeah, holy fuck, dude. Good shit, man. Good fucking shit. What a bonus, dude.
Dude. 150K.
Whole stream to get your balance up. And you lose like 30, 40, 50 grand when you got nothing. But on the other hand, it's like, oh, yeah! Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy! Look at that beauty, baby! Ho-ho! Boom! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Ho-ho-ho! That is 129,000, baby! One bonus! That's all it was required to give me one! Just one! Boom! Easy! Easy peasy lemon squeezy, eh? Oh my goodness! What a hit! What a fucking hit! Oh fuck!
Now, so we have the feeling involved,
Yeah. Look, it's yeah, the difference. Nice. Come on, good symbols. Okay, that's good. That's two good symbols. Those are good. Third best. That's like 12K.
It's a at least 1,000.
How many spins left? 1 or 2? 2 spins left?
There's 2 spins left now. I think.
Okay,
You spin
nice.
this one.
Nice.
So you have one. Wait, I don't know.
So 2 in total, I think. I don't know. Let's see.
I think you have one more.
I mean, still, it's 1,000 eggs. So this,
Bro, we
this
need a
good.
2,000 egg, bro.
Come on, just. That's a good hit. That's a good hit. Yep, that's a 12. Let's see. Okay. That was a good symbol, man. If we can get 7s of watermelons, bro. Stay on the left? No. 7s of watermelons? Ah. Oh, we have one more spin. Yeah, we have one more spin.